Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. When students take their studies to the next level, thesis defense is a crucial event. Many students find this occasion daunting. It does not have to be an unpleasant experience, however, because on that historic day you can overcome this uneasy feeling in some way. What's the preparation you have to make for a successful defense of your thesis? In this video, we're going to discuss the 10 steps that you need to take in order to be confident and prepared for a good defense of your thesis. Let's begin. 1. Know the members of the panel in the thesis defense. Know the members of your panel, their habits and personality as best you can. I'd like to see a second graduate student teach you how to answer questions from these panel members. For example, 1. Why did you undertake your study? What gaps have you identified? Additional tip. Give updated statistics. 2. Why did you choose a particular framework as a guide in your study? What is unique in the conceptual framework that you prepared? What are its strengths and weaknesses? If any, what are the pieces of evidence or essential indicators in the framework? 3. What is the overarching theory that guided your study? Additional tip. Mention the specific theory and its author. 4. Why did you choose a particular model instead of any other model? 5. How did you gather the data? Additional tip. Cite the sources and justification. 6. How did you analyze qualitative data obtained through your instruments or data gathering process? Questionnaire. Key informant interview. Physical measurements. 7. How did you ensure the reliability and validity of your data? Additional tip. Remember the triangulation method. 8. What is the significant contribution of your study to the body of knowledge? 9. What are the strengths and weaknesses of your study? Additional tip. This refers to the scope and delimitation of your study. 10. Why do you think that your thesis is appropriate or relevant to your degree? Additional tip. Refer to your course description. 3. Dress in dark colors. The main factor of impact is color. If you're wearing black or similar colors, you make yourself look smart and trustworthy. It would be helpful for you to show leadership as someone familiar with the subject during your thesis defense. 4. Get plenty of rest before your presentation. It's going to help if you're confident and energetic when you're defending your thesis. To keep your energy up before the presentation day, you must get enough sleep in advance of a confrontation with an examination panel. 5. Highlight the important findings of your study. During your thesis defense, use several 3 to 5 bulleted sentences in each slide. Use figures, statistics or graphics that complement the idea in order to make it clear. Show updates of data for the past 3 to 5 years. 6. Talk at moderate speed. Ensure that your pace allows for the report to be understood. Make sure your audience gives you a nod or shows understanding of what you're saying. 7. Directly answer the question, then expound a little. Don't beat around the bush. You're going straight to the answer. If you don't see the issue as part of your research, tell me. State its limitations. There will always be a degree of ambiguity in this matter, but make sure you give credit for your research. You can find more information about your study in the scope, delimitations and recommendations. If there is no clear indication of the question, ask for clarification. Please see to it that your panel issue is addressed. 8. Be thoroughly familiar with the literature that you have cited. Ensure you're familiar with the literature that you used to defend your thesis. Keep in mind what these studies have shown or found, as well as the limitations. 9. Be grateful. Thank all members of the committee for their contributions, please. Verify that these inputs are noted in your report. 10. Always remember the one-to-one correspondence. In order to prove your compliance with these objectives, make sure you have prepared answers or evidence for each of the objectives. There should be a one-to-one correspondence in the objectives, method, results and discussion, includes corresponding tables or figures for each objective with explanations, conclusion sections. For each aim, you can draw a matrix of methods, outcomes and discussions with the following columns in order to conclude them. For those who are not used to presenting or talking in front of a lot of people, practicing in front of a mirror helps a lot. Recording your voice or taking a video while practicing can also help determine the length of the presentation. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.